Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is our 2026 guide to window buying, and if you're interested in buying windows, well, you should consider vinyl windows for your home. In this edition, we're going to talk about vinyl. In fact, specifically, we're going to talk about ultra premium vinyl. Why ultra premium? Well, because if it's not a really, really good vinyl, buyer beware. There's some pluses to vinyl, and there's some minuses to vinyl, and you need to weigh the differences. So what are the pluses to vinyl? Well, if you get a really good quality vinyl product, you're going to get high efficiency. Vinyl I love because it's truly nearly a non-conductive material. Vinyl just does not conduct the heat, right? And the cold, like things like, say, inferior aluminum would, or the way glass will. Glass will conduct heat and cold, but vinyl is like a great insulator, and so it's really good at that. Another plus to vinyl is that vinyl is going to be your more affordable product compared to buying a composite window or, say, buying a wood window with an aluminum exterior or an aluminum window. This is going to be a more affordable option for you. It's not going to be cheap, but it's going to be affordable. And you're going to really get the best bang for your buck, usually on a high quality, high performance vinyl window. For example, this product behind me here is made by Anlin. Anlin's a really amazing company. They're about a 30-year-old company based out of Clovis, California, and they make a really, really high quality, ultra premium vinyl product. And look at this. This is black on the inside, black on the outside. I mean, for years, if I'd said to you 10 years ago, we're gonna have a high quality black on black window that comes with a lifetime warranty that's transferable to the next homeowner on a black on black window, you would have said, no way. But yes way, dude, because now with this high quality technology surface coatings that they make for vinyl, this stuff actually is durable, because vinyl can have, here's one of the negatives, it can get too hot and start to warp and twist easily. And so you can have a failure with cheap vinyl because it doesn't have the strength and rigidity that you're going to get out of a really nice thick wall, multi-chambered, high quality, high performance, strong vinyl like this one from Anlin. So Anlin can get away with using dark colors which absorb more heat because of the type of surface coating that they use that doesn't trap the heat, it allows it to be released, but also because of the rigidity and the strength and the quality of their vinyl. The ingredients in the vinyl, the better the vinyl is, the longer it's going to last. So what are some of the other negatives about vinyl? Well, because of vinyl being a softer material, sometimes we run into issues where the window opening that you're trying to create is just beyond the size that vinyl can support. In that case, some manufacturers say, no, we can't do it. Other manufacturers, like Anlin, for example, they will use a composite reinforcement to insert a crosshair. Here's a good look at that. They have a composite reinforcement that can go in there and give you more rigidity, more strength, so that this window can actually take heavier weight glass. It can take bigger sizes. And so you can run into some limitations when it comes to size. Unlike some of the other products, vinyl can have its limitations. How does it compare to the other ones? Well, you're gonna have to go down into the description and watch the other 3 videos, because I made a video for all 4 types of popular windows that are out there, different types of materials, so that you can learn and be informed. The more information you have, the more powerful you are. The more powerful you are, the better decisions you will make. And by the way, you only get one shot at doing your windows, right? I mean, you really want to do it right. Even a bad haircut will grow back, but you put it in the wrong window, you're going to have to live with it for a long time, so it's worth checking it out. If you're looking for a great window company near you, check out my website, jeffslist.com. I have a list there of great window companies all over the country. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you again real soon.